many pots and pans have features that allow you to be able to hang them. A lot of colanders will have handles, or pots will have places on their handle where you can hang them, that will allow you to hang them. So if that's the case, that's a really wonderful way to store them, because it allows you to use your counter space and your shelf space and your cabinet space for other uses, and it gets them off of surfaces, so you have less to clean and less places for dust to collect. So I have all my pots that I'm able to hang. I hang on these S-hooks back here. And most of them, you see, are pots that I'll be using when I'm cooking on the stove. I also have a couple of utensils that I use when I'm cooking at the stove that I'm also going to hang on S-hooks, on these S-hooks back here. And this pot presented a particularly, unique problem for this group of pots, in that this handle wouldn't allow me to hang the pot on one of these metal S-hooks. So I found this wooden S-hook at a store with a larger S shape, and it works just like that for hanging that pot.